What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Another video. Today I'm going to be doing a chameleon cell video because I'm like completely infatuated with them, but we're getting right into it. I have a silver, a cerulean blue, phthalo blue, titanium white, and a magenta. All 2 parts pouring medium, 1 part paint. I have my silicone in here. I'll be dipping it into this knitting needle into the cup and applying the chameleon cells that way. So with that, let's start layering the cup. How's everybody doing today? I hope everybody's doing great. I'm doing wonderful. It's a good crisp day here in Phoenix. I almost said Detroit again. Man, old habits die hard. Yeah? Now the silver is mainly because I just like the shimmer. I have yet to still get like really defined metallic cells when I'm doing the chameleon cell technique. So for right now, it'll give us a little bit of contrast to the darker colors, but it will definitely give us some shimmer and sparkle, and I love that. So there's no silicone in any of these colors. Kind of just layering a little here and there, letting colors churn. The silver is noticeably thicker. Most metallics will be. And I think we'll put a little dark blue on top of that cerulean blue. And then we're gonna let this white just punch right through the center of it. Yeah. Create those gradients that we all love so much. Let me put these cups to the side so I can save this paint and not waste it. We're going to do a messy flip just because I don't really want to pick up the whole contraption. But it wasn't too messy. All right. So I do typically, a lot of the time, I'll layer a white on top because I feel like that really thin layer of white at the bottom of the cup puts a thin layer over the top as everything is out of the cup. So let's go ahead and flip this bad boy over. Ooh, now that's pretty. That's really pretty. I like that a lot. Let me center this band that I really like. Since we did such a hard flip, there's a lot of air bubbles in it. So we'll pop those. And before I do my spin, I normally don't disturb the surface. I'll just let it do what it does. But I think I would like to disturb it this time. Probably not too much, just a little bit. I want to see if this changes the dynamic of the cells at all. I think it could. Let's see. I do really love playing in these colors. There we go. I think that'll be all we really need to do as far as manipulating the surface. Now I can give it a light spin and we'll see what it turns into. Ooh, I like that a lot. Okay, yeah, that looks really cool. I mean, although it did not maintain those really round lines, the lines are still there. And there's so much deep colors going on. It just makes me like extra excited, hoping that we're gonna get a little bit of a really bright contrasting colors coming out of it. I think that would be so cool. But I'm cleaning off the tip of the knitting needle. as so many of you were kind enough to let me know that it is a knitting needle. I'm already loving what I'm seeing. Wow. That is amazing. Yeah, see, I wouldn't have thought that that cerulean blue was just beneath the surface right there. But it was. It was right there. I do need to get toothpicks though, because I have noticed that the knitting needle holds a lot more silicone than I'm used to. So it tends to make it hard to control where these cells are going to go. Because since there's so much silicone on it, they tend to want to just expand forever. But let's see what we got going on here. Oh man, these colors are really gorgeous. Very excited about these. So every time I take the knitting needle to reapply silicone, I have to wipe it because I'm not trying to mix the colors too much more than they already will. I am noticing though that with that disturbing the cells prior, or disturbing the layers prior, that it is having an effect. Like here, this cell right here, the cells have a different look to them, which is awesome. I always love my experiments, you guys. Trying to learn more about the way paint moves. Learn more about myself in that paint, if that makes sense. Man. Yeah, these colors are amazing. Looks a lot like a geode, kind of. It has that kind of a look, like a sliced agate. That was another word you guys helped me with back in the day. Because I didn't know if it was agate or agate. But you guys helped me out with that one. Yeah, I love these cells though. These cells are looking really nice. Maybe it's all about the colors. The layering and color selection probably plays a pretty big role in what it looks like at the end. I really love that center though. Those cells look very ethereal. What do you guys see? Everybody tends to see something a little bit different. I'm curious, what do you see in this? I'm going to go through and touch up some areas that I feel could use a little love. Some of these cells didn't grow very big at all. Which that's different. I totally expected them to grow almost to the point they're touching each other right now. The center has, and it's going to continue to expand over time. All right, that's awesome looking. Man, that's so cool. All right, well, I'm gonna let this set here just for about 10 minutes. I want to let the silicone continue to expand, and then we're gonna get down here and take a look at it. All right, so about 10 minutes has gone by, and the cells are about as big as I think they're gonna get. They might expand a little bit more, but I really love the way some of these cells are half and half, like half one color, half another color. It's really interesting. I love this one. Let's see how it dries. All these cells have such tiny little details in them. They're all just super unique and beautiful in their own way.
If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.